Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to part 5 of my Tiffany & Company collection. Today I'm going to share with you my sterling silver earring collection. Now my earring collection is a little bit smaller than some of my other jewelry categories. I tend to wear the same earrings every day and kind of switch them out every few months, so I have a little bit smaller collection, so I threw a couple items in at the end that are kind of outside of the earring category. So yeah, if that sounds interesting to you, stick around and we'll get started. Alright, so the first earrings I have to show you are the olive leaf stud earrings. These are by Paloma Picasso. I think these are so cute. I wear these almost every day. I wear my diamond studs and then these in my second piercing. I think they're so cute. And so I do have the matching ring to this collection. I just think this entire collection is so beautiful. I love the nature-inspired design. Just so pretty. And these are just classic stud earrings. I removed the backings from all of these earrings. I'm going to show you just to make it a little easier to hold them, but they're just a traditional pushback. So pretty. Next up, we have another pair of Paloma Picasso stud earrings. These are the Venezia Goldoni studs. So pretty, definitely kind of like a filigree looking design. I do have a matching ring and pendant in this collection. Grab the pendant here just to show you. So here is the pendant. It's essentially the same size as the earring, so it matches exactly. Just really pretty and simple, very feminine. Next up, we have the bead earrings, which I think they've now rebranded. They're called the hardware ball earrings, but either way, they're the same earring. They are a 10mm round stud, just gorgeous. I mean, they really are sort of a modern take on a pearl stud. You know, pearl studs have been around for so long and they're such a classic in your jewelry wardrobe, but doing them in a sterling silver just kind of modernizes the look. It also kind of makes it a little more casual, so you're able to dress these up or down. And obviously they go perfectly with the bead bracelet, same 10mm size, just great for every day. So beautiful. And up next, I have an Elsa Peretti design to show you. These are the open wave earrings. I believe these are discontinued now. These were one of the first pairs of earrings I ever purchased from Tiffany. I was just really drawn to the design, the little wave. I just think it's really pretty, very feminine looking. And these are also a nice size. They're a little bit larger than the olive leaf studs I just shared with you. Absolutely beautiful. Just a nice kind of classic little stud earring. And next I have another Elsa Peretti design to share with you. These are the Teardrop stud earrings in sterling silver. Just a really classic Elsa Peretti design. You know, this and the bean, I'd say, are kind of tied in popularity. They're super simple, something you can wear every day, but just kind of a unique shape. Really cute. I would like to get the teardrop pendant. That's one of the really simple classic Tiffany pieces that I don't have in my collection, but I hope to add that one day. And here we have what might be the most popular pair of stud earrings at Tiffany. These are the Return to Tiffany heart stud earrings in the mini size, but even the mini size, these are honestly a really nice everyday size. They used to make these a little bit larger. I actually think they're a little too big for me in that retired size. Just to kind of give you a size comparison. Here's the bead earring, here are the heart studs. So they're a great size in this little mini size here. But yeah, they're just kind of a flat silver tag with the classic Return to Tiffany stamping. Mine are a little beat up. I've had them for quite a number of years, but these are great. I think these are so classic, timeless, love them. Now this pair here, these are part of the Garden collection. These little drop earrings, they have a hook back. And I think they're so pretty. And as you can see, the little teardrop just kind of dangles from this hook here. So there's a little bit of movement to these when you wear them. I love these with my hair up. I think they're just a really beautiful, classic silver earring. And it kind of has that teardrop shape that I do really like, but in sort of this open design. And this is not Elsa Peretti, this is just the Tiffany Garden drops, I believe is what they were called. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. Love these. Next up, we have the Soleus hoop earrings. Now, I think these are so cool. Definitely more of a unique style earring compared to the rest of my collection. But as you can see, they have this beautiful Soleus pattern. They're just stunning. And they're a great size. They're quite a bit larger than any of the other earrings I've shown you so far. But they're not super heavy. I actually think they're a pretty nice weight and they're still pretty comfortable on. And if you remember, I do have the matching pendant to this collection. So these match perfectly with this necklace. Next we have the Bizet hoop earrings in sterling silver. And these are just a classic pair of hoops. You really can't go wrong with something like this style. And I actually really like this size. They're, again, kind of large for every day, but with my hair up, I think these look very, very cute. And they're pretty lightweight, actually. So again, very, very comfortable. And they just use the same kind of stud earring backing. Very beautiful. And finally, I wanted to share my Tiffany & Company keyring with you. I know this is not an earring, but just kind of an extra silver piece that I wasn't sure where else to fit it in. But this horseshoe style, one of these little ends is actually a screw. So you screw this off. And this actually came with my Tiffany blue heart tag charm on it that I do wear on my bracelet quite often. But I also have this oval tag charm, which I actually forgot to share with you in my bracelet video because it was on this keyring. But this works great as a keyring as well. And so you would just slip your keys onto this little loop and screw the ball back on. Now, sometimes people lose this little screw-on ball here, and a little trick is you can put a little coat of clear nail polish on here before you screw this back on. And it really just gives it a little extra hold. You also can get replacements of these in customer service. Again, I think fairly inexpensive, but they usually have those on hand. But yeah, just a great little key ring. They also make the traditional ring style where you kind of open it up and slip it on, but I like this little horseshoe design. I think it's kind of unique and really cute. These also make great gifts, especially a 16th birthday gift. You know, as someone's just getting their license, I think this is such a cute gift, and you can get these little charms engraved with either their initials or their birth date. So yeah, great little gift idea. Then another accessory item that doesn't necessarily fit in with my earrings here, but these are my sunglasses. And so they come in the little dust pouch, and they do have a little cleaning cloth that comes with it in this beautiful box. And here they are. So these are a cat eye shape. I believe these are the Victoria. Yes, the Victoria sunglasses. And so they have a black frame with the Tiffany blue on the inside. Just so cute. I love a good cat eye. And I love the little sparkle here on the arm. So cute. Now these are just, I believe, Swarovski crystal, so not any crazy expensive stone, which is probably good for a sunglass. I've unfortunately lost many sunglasses over the years. I've been able to hold on to these though, luckily, but very beautiful. I love these. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing my Tiffany sterling silver earring collection. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'm more than happy to answer any questions for you. And if you're interested in Tiffany & Company or jewelry or luxury items in general, please consider subscribing to my channel. I plan to upload the rest of my Tiffany collection. And coming up next, I plan to do my Tiffany leather goods collection, which includes handbags, wallets, pouches, jewelry cases, planners, and a few other fun items. So if that sounds interesting, subscribe and stay tuned for that. All right, thank you guys so much. Have a great day.